Welcome back. I've now relocated myself from Wyoming to Oregon, so there's the spiel there. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed that brand new motorcycle that my girlfriend and I created, made, built, whatever you want to say. There's a lot more work that needs to go into it still, and it's going to change up a little bit. We still have a few more ideas on how to make it a little bit more functional than it is. But I want to talk to you about business. I'm going to try to keep this short. I'm releasing a Teespring website. I'm releasing a new spam card, which I haven't quite finished yet. It's almost done, and I want to surprise you guys with it. I can't order those until I get some support. That's with the Teespring, and if you may remember, you may not, I'm also an Amazon affiliate. It's a merch store. It's got hoodies, t-shirts, women's hoodies, women's t-shirts, women's leggings, or men's leggings, I guess. And I hate to say it, but it does have face masks. I will be ordering one of those myself because here in Oregon, it's very left, and we are required to wear those every second you're outside, it seems like. So I will be ordering one of those to rep myself. I'll be doing giveaways, and every month I'll be doing maybe 2, 3, however many I decide in that month. I will probably be hosting most of those giveaways through Instagram, which I will relay here. You know, I'll say, oh, hey, by the way, go check my Instagram out. Linked right here. Go check my Instagram out because there's a giveaway coming up. And I want to say that it's October 1st right now. 2nd, 3rd, 4th. So on October 5th, this video will be out, which is Monday. And November 1st, I'm doing a giveaway. So it's just gonna be stickers for right now. I don't have any merch ordered. I need to launch the store, which will be launched by the time you see this video. The Teespring website, it will be linked in the description of every single one of my videos, and I may mention it in the videos, I'm not sure yet, but I would love your support there. And I'm also an Amazon affiliate, so what that means is I will link, you know, the camera I use in this video, the lights I use to light my face and the background, a helmet that I use, the helmet that I bought for the touring car helmet that I bought for our rally stuff in Wyoming, which I never used but is amazing still, and even, you know, down to my phone case. I'll link all that stuff in the description if you guys want to check that out. And all you have to do, you don't have to buy what is linked. All you have to do is click on that link. It'll take you to Amazon. You search up in the search bar knitting needles because your grandma's birthday is coming up. Knitting needles for grandma. Order those within 24 hours of clicking on the link, and I get a portion of that order, and that will go into the YouTube channel. I've decided everything that goes from Amazon affiliates, from the Teespring, is going to go back into the channel to help better and help create more and better stuff for you guys. So I appreciate you. Follow that Instagram. Go buy a t-shirt, go order something on Amazon through my links. Help support me so I can help create some great content for you guys. We have a ton of projects coming up. Now that she's gonna be able to weld, which she's gonna be better than me at, my girlfriend, there's a ton of stuff we're gonna be able to do. Jockey shifters, we're turboing some things. We have some turbo projects coming up. And yeah, so stay tuned. Please go buy some merch, go buy some stuff on Amazon through my links. Support me. I will appreciate every penny I get from you guys. My Amazon, I'm actually already sitting at 50 bucks. So once I hit $100, Amazon sends me a check, and that's all from last year. So if you guys want to keep supporting me that way, please do. I'll get it checked, then I can order the spam cards, send those out with giveaways, send those out randomly, whatever, hand those out randomly, make videos with them, whatever. I appreciate y'all. Tried to keep it short, but I know it's long. Hope you stuck with it and support me. See ya when I see you with the next video.